Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This video is regarding recounting and re-verification of TS Inter answer scripts. For Inter first year and second year candidates, there is a provision for recounting and supply of scanned copy cum re-verification of valued answer scripts. So students can apply for whichever they want to. They will mainly get two options. One is recounting, another one is re-verification, which means revaluation also. So the candidates have to pay online an amount of rupees 100 per paper for recounting and rupees 800 per paper for scanned copy cum re-verification of answer book through BIE website, that is tgbie.cgg.gov.in student online services. The requisite fee for recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification can be paid from 13th to 20th April. The online service will be stopped after the due date and no further extension of services will be available under no circumstance. Manual submission after due date will be entertained. The fee paid towards recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification will not be refunded also. The candidate has to select the particular subject in which he or she wants to apply for recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification and has to furnish his complete address, email ID and phone number. The candidates must apply only for their own answer book, and obtaining scanned copy of other candidates is an offense, means it is a crime and you must not do it. The intermediate public advanced supplementary examinations theory will be held from 13 May in two sessions, and also practical examinations will be held from 22nd May in two sessions. Those who have failed can apply for supplementary exam between 13th to 20th April at their respective junior colleges. So just remember students, for re-verification and recounting you have to apply online, and for supplementary or improvement exam you need to apply only through your college. Already I have given supplementary exam timetable in the previous video. The same is for improvement. Now who should apply for recounting? If a student finds that there is a large difference between expected marks and actual marks, like you were expecting 10 marks, 20 marks or 30 marks more, and you are close to pass marks or grade boundary, and you are 100% sure that you deserve more marks and you suspect calculation errors, in such a case only you must apply for recounting. So in recounting, the examiners will just check inside marks and outside marks on the OMR are same or not. That's it. But if you want the examiner to check each and every answer marking and you also want a scanned copy, then you apply for re-verification. So once you get the re-verification result, after that only you can download the scanned copy, not before that. So students, I suggest for 1 or 2 marks, do not go for recounting or re-verification, just let it be. Especially CEC and MEC students, because you are already eligible for degree. But if you are a science student and it is affecting your overall eligibility for any national exam, only in such a case you must apply only when you are 100% sure. Now inter first year students, if you are overall pass, you can write improvement exam for as many subjects as you want. But for inter second year students, you will have to cancel all the previous result and only then you can write improvement for all the subjects, which would be a very hectic task. So I suggest not to go for this. If you fail in any subject in inter second year, then for that particular subject you can write supplementary exam. Okay, one more doubt students have is that if we apply for revaluation, will our marks increase? There is no such thing like that. Only if you are deserving, you will get marks. And accidentally, if the teacher has given you some extra marks, you may lose them also. So do not waste your parents' hard-earned money on revaluation just for time pass. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.